Hey everyone, hope you're all doing well today. In this video, I'll be covering an ultimate networking guide, a more stable connection, disabling all network power savings, and lowering network latency. Before we get started, if you found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and comment below so I know what type of videos you guys like. Let's get into this video. Simply head to Google or whatever browser you use and search up discord.gg/stix, just like this. This will redirect you to our Discord server. Head over to the Free Tweaks channel and you'll see Stix Ultimate Networking video. Click on this Google Drive link, download. Once that's downloaded the folder, you can open your file explorer, minimize everything in the background, open it, extract all, and drag it to your desktop. Once you're here, double click it, open this Do First folder, create a restore point. This will just make sure if anything bad happens or you don't like what happened, you can revert back to your original state. So simply click Configure, make sure Turn on System Protections enabled, then you have around 5%. Then click Apply, and then OK. Next, click on your local DC, create, and name it whatever you want. So before network video or whatever. Once that's finished, click Close, then OK. Then go back to this Files folder. And if you have faster upload and download speeds, then you can run this as an administrator. But if you have like anything under 300 megabytes per second download speed, I would recommend you not to do this. But if you notice that you have a lot lower speeds and you like it, you can always run this revert file and then restart your PC and you'll be good. But since I pay for 1 gigabyte, I can run it. Make sure to run as administrator, more info, run anyway. And you see a little flicker, that's fine. Then double click on this network adapter shortcut, open, change adapter settings. And if you have Ethernet and Wi-Fi here and you only use Ethernet, then right click on the Wi-Fi and then click disable. But in my case, I only have Ethernet, so right click, properties, then uncheck the following: client for Microsoft Networks, file and printing sharing for Microsoft Networks, Microsoft LLDP protocol driver, Internet Protocol version 6, and both these link layers. Then click OK, right click again, properties, click configure, then click power management and make sure these are all unchecked. Then head to advanced and disable the following: advanced EEE, ARP offload, energy efficient Ethernet, flow control, gigabyte light, green Ethernet, interrupt moderation, IPv4 checksum offload. Both these large send offloads. You can disable NS offload, power savings mode, priority in VLAN. Make sure that's to priority enabled. And scroll down, disable shutdown awake on LAN, speed and duplex. You can either set that to fastest speed you have or auto negotiation. Disable TCP checksum offload for both IPv4 and IPv6. Do the same thing for UDP checksum offload. Disable wake on magic packet and wake on pattern match. The WOL and shutdown link speed set to not speed down, and then click OK. Once you have done all them, let your PC reconnect to internet, then right click, properties, click on Internet Protocol version 6, properties, click on advanced, and then make sure you uncheck enable metric, and then type the interface metric number 1. Then click this, uncheck enable LM host lookup, then disable net BIOS over TCP IP. Click OK, OK, and you can close all this. Once you're here, you're going to do Windows key plus R and then type the following: gpedit.msc. If this pops up, then you're fine, but if you get an error, double click on this shortcut, open, and scroll down and click on this link right here, and click download now. This will reinstall Group Policy Editor. Open your file explorer, right click, extract all, extract, and then run this GP edit enabler as administrator, just like this. But then since I already have it installed, I'm not going to. And you close all this out, go to Windows settings, right click on this policy based QoS, advanced QoS settings, head over to DSCP marketing override, make sure this is checked and set it to ignored. Then click OK, and then you're gonna right click, create new policy, and you can name this whatever you want. It's a lot easier if you just name it for whatever game you're using. So since we're doing Fortnite in this video, since that's my main audience, that's what I'm gonna do. So just type Fortnite and then set the DSCP value to 46. next, select only applications with this executable name, and I made it easy for you guys. Right click on this text document, then rename it, and then copy this whole thing, and just paste it in here. It should look something like this. So then click next, don't do anything here, and click next again. Then make sure this is set to TCP and UDP. Then click finish. And if you play any other games, just repeat the same process and name it whatever you want. So Valorant, put it to 46 again, next, and then put the executable name here. That is all for today's video. If you found this video helpful in any way, make sure to leave a comment below or head over to our free reviews channel and make sure to leave a review. I want to thank everyone for watching and have an amazing day.